And we're getting you breaking news. Like we've been telling you, the focus is going to be on the Calcutta High Court today. But in the national capital too, Trinamool Congress MPs staged a dharna. The political war of words and the political showdown is escalating. It is spilling onto the streets of the national capital at the Kartavya Bhavan. There was high drama that was witnessed. Now the Delhi police moved in and also removed the protesting MPs. 8 senior Trinamool Congress MPs sat on a dharna. On your screens are those visuals from Derek O'Brien to Kirti Azad to Mahua Moitra. These were the MPs who sat there. They were protesting. They were raising slogans against the Home Minister. The Delhi police then had to step in, after which you saw that high drama unfold there. These are visuals on your screens. High drama at the Kartavya Bhavan in the national capital. My colleague Mohit is with us. Mohit, we are showing our viewers the pictures. The showdown between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP over the ED raids that took place yesterday is also playing out in the streets of the capital. What's the latest, Mohit?
Well, yes, in fact, a few moments ago, all the TMC MPs, including Mahua Moitra, Derek O'Brien, Saket Gokhale, Kirti Azad, they were all being detained by the police and they have been taken to the nearest police station. But these are the visuals from Kartavya Bhavan, Gate 1, where now the security has been beefed up. We know that how TMC MPs early in the morning came over here, 8 to 10 of them, and they were protesting against Home Minister Amit Shah and the raids that were conducted at the premises of IPAC yesterday. We saw unprecedented scenes yesterday where the ED said that they were conducting the raids in a peaceful manner, and it was regarding the coal scam and the link between the Hawala operators, which runs for the crores of rupees. But Mamta Banerjee came up over there with the senior police officials and took away the crucial evidence, and we saw pictures of Mamta Banerjee having certain files in her hand, and post that she addressed media and attacked the Bharatiya Janata Party and Home Minister Amit Shah, saying that the ED is working in a biased manner. It is working as a political tool of Bharatiya Janata Party. But today, unprecedented scenes from streets of Kolkata to streets of Delhi were witnessed, where TMC MPs reached over here and the police were asking them to move. This is a very high security area, but we spoke to Mahua Moitra, Derek O'Brien, Saket Gokhale. They all said they will continue with the protest because ED is being used as a political arm of the BJP. Now remember, this is also a strategy of the TMC that they will call ED a political tool of the BJP in run-up to the elections, and this is a well-coordinated strategy of the TMC to have protests over here in Delhi and in Kolkata. Today we saw that yesterday also there were certain protests. So massive flashpoint between the TMC and the Bharatiya Janata Party in run-up to the elections, where the BJP says that why Mamta Banerjee reached over there, why she took certain files, what exactly Mamta Banerjee is hiding, and why she has come to the aid of Prateek Jain, who is being accused of a scam by the Enforcement Directorate, and why she did not let ED work, why the raids were not being allowed to continue by Mamta Banerjee. So massive standoff between the BJP and the TMC from streets of Kolkata to streets of Delhi. Just here outside
scenes, Mohit, in Kolkata and now in the national capital. Yesterday it started when the Chief Minister of West Bengal, a sitting Chief Minister of a state, who rushed into the residence of Prateek Jain, the founder of IPAC, which is a political consultancy firm that has been engaged with the TMC for a while now. You saw then how Mamta Banerjee barged in, took in some files, came out and made a slew of allegations against the Enforcement Directorate and also against the central government, including the Home Minister. Right now we are seeing these scenes of the Trinamool Congress MPs. Mohit, before we take our viewers through more updates that are breaking this morning, let's also listen into what Trinamool Congress MPs said when the Delhi police began detaining them.
हम ममता बनर्जी और अभिषेक बनर्जी के सोल्जर हैं। हम अमित शाह से नहीं डरते हैं। हम लड़ेंगे और बंगाल जीतेंगे। हम ममता बनर्जी और अभिषेक बनर्जी के सोल्जर हैं। हम अमित शाह से नहीं डरते हैं। हम लड़ेंगे और बंगाल जीतेंगे।
जो भी कर ले, इस बीजेपी को हम हरा के रखेंगे। जो भी पुलिस लेके जा रही है, क्या कहेंगे प्रदर्शन हम करेंगे कि आप देख लें कि देश के लोग देख लें कि निर्वाचित सदस्य।
Once again, viewers, keep looking at the pictures on your screens. This unfolded moments ago in the national national capital. So from the streets of Kolkata, where today, once again, the Chief Minister and the Trinamool Congress will be protesting against the ED's raids that unfolded yesterday in connection with allegations of money laundering in a coal scam. Now you're seeing how the flashpoint is also unfolding on the streets of the capital. This is Kartavya Bhavan. 8 Trinamool Congress MPs in the biting cold have come out with those posters which have messages written against the ED, against the Home Minister, Derek O'Brien, Mahua Moitra, and top MPs of the Trinamool Congress. And we have more breaking news coming in, and this time the Trinamool Congress MPs who've been detailed in the national capital. There's politics that's playing out. The Trinamool Congress is once again going hammer and tongs against the centre. The TMC has been saying that this is nothing but an attempt by the centre to crush democracy. Slew of allegations being made there as we bring our viewers these pictures coming in from the Kartavya Bhavan. The detentions have taken place, posters and slogans being raised by Trinamool Congress MPs. What is the latest allegation by the TMC? Akanksha.
All right, let me take you through what Trinamool Congress has posted on social media. Attaching the photo of, you can see Derek O'Brien and also Mahua Moitra being detained by the police. Just a while back, they've written, what kind of arrogance is this, Amit Shah? Are you using your Delhi police to assault elected representatives just to crush democracy? Is this how dissent is silent in your India? Admit it, you are rattled. First, the shameless misuse of ED, now an attack on the peaceful dharna of our 8 MPs. This desperation exposes your fear. You may try to choke democracy, but Bengal will not be cowed. Shame on you and your police. So this is what TMC has posted on social media, that first ED was misused by the central government, and now there was a dharna that was disrupted by the police, and they've pinned the blame for this on the central government. Back to you.
So from dharna to detention, Trinamool Congress MPs in the national capital have been detained, and now the TMC is hitting out at the central government. The BJP too is responding. The BJP here is also reacting to the allegations of the Trinamool Congress. The BJP here says that they are staging a protest because the Trinamool Congress right now is rattled.
TMC has come to mean too much corruption, and now the TMC MPs are staging a protest. What are they staging a protest against? They are staging a protest against action on corruption. And Mamata Banerjee, as a sitting chief minister, when a private company is being raided for its involvement in the coal scam, Hawala transactions, which the court has given a go-ahead for, she goes and obstructs the investigation, takes away the files, does evidence chori. And this is the state of affairs. First it was Ma Mati Manush, now it is Balatkari Bachao, Bhari Bachao and Bhrashtachari Bachao. What was the evidence that was taken away by Mamata Banerjee? Should she not be answerable?
And as we keep our focus on the showdown that's escalating over the ED raids, we have information that 2 FIRs have been filed against the Enforcement Directorate in Kolkata. In the first FIR, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has filed a complaint against the ED and the CAPF at the Shakespeare Sarani police station. There are charges of theft, of criminal trespassing, and also of theft of electronic evidence that have been slapped. In the second FIR, that this is a case by the police themselves. Going across to my colleague Bhavtosh, who's tracking all these details. This is a showdown that is only going to escalate with every passing day. The Trinamool Congress also, on its part, there are 2 FIRs that have been filed, and here these are FIRs against the Enforcement Directorate and also the CAPF. What are the specific charges, Bhavtosh? Take our viewers through it.
Well, Sagarika, as far as these FIRs are concerned, 2 FIRs have been filed. In one, the complainant is Mamata Banerjee and her office, in which charges of theft have been leveled against the Enforcement Directorate officials. And the charges say that when she had gone to the office of IPAC, she had found that some confidential information has gone missing. And this is exactly what the TMC's petition in the Calcutta High Court had said, is that they fear that confidential information and data pertaining to the party, which could have been leaked, which could have been stolen by the Enforcement Directorate and later leaked to the media, is presently missing. So that is an FIR that has been filed at Shakespeare Sarani police station, and the second FIR has been filed by the West Bengal police, or Kolkata police to be specific, which accompanied Mamata Banerjee, saying that police personnel in fact intervened and also obstructed them when they went to two places. One was that IPAC office, and the second was at the office of the founder of IPAC, Prateek Jain. So this entire matter is only escalating with each passing hour, because one thought that with both the sides going to the Calcutta High Court, they will at least wait for the hearing to start, but it doesn't look so. ED has leveled very serious charges that there has been a Hawala transaction of at least 20 crore rupees ahead of Goa Assembly post, that is in 2020, a charge that has been vehemently denied both by TMC as well as by Mamata Banerjee. But ED insists that their investigation that started way back in 2020 and till now clearly establishes a Hawala link between IPAC and also the main accused in the coal scam, Anup Maji. We are waiting for a formal statement from IPAC, but they have not so far issued any statement.
Right. And remember, this is a very crucial year in the state of West Bengal, a crucial election year. And what we are witnessing right now seems to be a precursor of the showdown, of the escalating showdown, not only between political parties, but in the mix, the Trinamool Congress is also targeting the ED. They are filing a slew of allegations saying that the ED is working at the behest of the centre. Number two, they've also made a mention of the SIR, linking what happened in connection with the raids has something to do with the SIR. Now, viewers, we have to take you back to the pictures that unfolded yesterday. Today, you're seeing how TMC MPs are protesting in the national capital, but it started yesterday when the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, made a dramatic appearance at the residence of IPAC Chief Prateek Jain amid ongoing ED raids. Those raids began early in the morning yesterday. Mamata Banerjee alleged that the ED was seizing Trinamool Congress's internal documents, including sensitive election strategy data.
हमारा आईटी ऑफिस में आके अब सब लैपटॉप से सब निकाल के लिया, हमारा डेटा, हमारा एसआईआर का डेटा, हमारा पार्टी का पॉलिसी का डेटा, हमारा कैंडिडेट का लिस्ट, हमारा बूथ प्रेसिडेंट का लिस्ट, हमारा आने वाला स्ट्रेटेजी, द नेस्टी होम मिनिस्टर, द नॉटी होम मिनिस्टर, बीजेपी इज ए किलर्स पार्टी. They are the great killer of democracy. क्या है आप लोगों को लिए भविष्य? इससे और भी खराब होगा. जितना भी सीट आपको मिलना चाहिए था, इससे तो अब जीरो में आ जाएगा.
My colleague Rajesh Saha is also tracking all the developments in Kolkata. All eyes, Rajesh, today will be on the Calcutta High Court. Two dueling petitions are going to come up, where we are once again going to see it's going to be ED versus Trinamool Congress. What's the latest on the ground, Rajesh?
Yes, the legal battle has already begun in the court since the entire matter has gone to High Court yesterday. And not only ED now, TMC has also filed a petition before the single bench of Kolkata High Court alleging the proactiveness of Enforcement Directorate. In the petition, the TMC has also alleged that the Enforcement Directorate, being a central probe agency, has taken away all those documents which are not related to the matter of investigation. These documents which were seized, allegedly seized by the agency, were related to their political campaign, were related to their political strategy and electoral data. So the ED didn't have anything with these data since these were the confidential documents of Trinamool Congress. So that was the allegation of Trinamool Congress leveled against the Enforcement Directorate. They have alleged into this petition filed before the single bench of Kolkata High Court, and that matter has already been listed to be heard today around 11 o'clock before the single bench of Justice Shubhra Ghosh of Kolkata High Court.
So single bench of the Calcutta High Court will be hearing the petition today. One, the ED also went to court alleging obstruction. Number two, the Trinamool Congress too has filed a petition making damning charges against the ED. Rajesh, I also want to get a sense from you on what the Trinamool Congress is planning with regards to protests. Yesterday too, we saw how the TMC had hit the streets. Today, once again, there is going to be a fresh round of protests.
Right. Soon after Mamata Banerjee came out of the office of IPAC during the raid of Enforcement Directorate, Mamata Banerjee instructed that all the leaders, district level leaders, will carry out a strong protest protest in every block across the state against this raid of ED. Since then, TMC has been protesting across the state in every district, in every block against the raid of Central Probe Agency. And today, TMC will lead us a biggest rally, protest rally in Kolkata, and that rally will be led by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself. She will be walking on the street of Kolkata. And the rally will be started from Jadavpur area to Hajra crossing, which is near the residence of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. So that will be the biggest rally of Trinamool Congress led by Mamata Banerjee herself in Kolkata today.
A huge rally has been planned by the Trinamool Congress. So you're seeing the showdown playing out on the streets of Delhi to the streets of Calcutta. In the courtroom in Calcutta to also police stations where 2 FIRs have been filed. This is going to be our top focus here on Times Now, viewers. We're going to keep you up to speed with all the breaking news developments. But time now for us to slip into a short commercial break.